everybody, my name is Luiza. I'm a local realtor in Seattle and Bellevue, Washington. And today I want to tell you 9 things that you should be doing to get your home ready to sell. The first thing is to choose if you're gonna work with a realtor or if you're gonna try to sell it by yourself, for sale by owner. And if you choose to work with a realtor, then the second step is to interview with realtors to see who is the person that you really want to work with. The third step is to deep clean, declutter, and depersonalize the home so that makes the home more appealing to the buyers. The buyers want to see themselves living in the home, so we may need to change a little some things, but if you are working with a real estate agent, they will help you through the whole process. And the fourth step is to think about the exterior of the house. So our brain works with expectation. So if you have a good expectation about something, you will probably like it. And if you have a bad expectation, you will probably dislike it. And the same thing comes with a home. So if you see a pretty home in the outside and you enter it, you're more likely to like the inside of it because you have a good expectation about this home. The fifth step is to consider some touch-ups and fixing that needs to be done. The sixth step is to hide valuables. There are going to be people coming inside the home, so it's very important that you take care of your safety, and your real estate agent will help you through all the process. The seventh step is to choose what are you gonna take with you to the next home and what you're gonna let in the home. The eighth step is to add plants to the home. That is a very inexpensive way to make the home feel nicer. And if you're working with a good real estate agent, they will help you with the staging. Last but not least, let your real estate agent work for you and focus on getting ready to your next home. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to be happy.